Hi guys, this is Kaushal on Tiny Tech Talk, and in today's video I'm going to talk about a weird problem that I faced while trying to use my mobile with an OTG keyboard and mouse. As you can see, this would be a very weird position to use your mobile in with the OTG. And if you see, I have already plugged in my OTG mouse and my keyboard, but once I put it in the stand, it is inverted and now I'm not able to use it at all. And so now let's talk about the solution. And before we talk about the solution, I want to thank the XDA developer Pranav for building an amazing app here called Rotation Orientation Manager. Thank you, Pranav, for providing such a beautiful app. So let me go ahead and install this on my phone, and let me open this. Let's just read it quickly and agree to everything, and then just quickly give all the necessary permissions. Allow, just allow, auto rotate on, and then yep, here you go. As soon as I provided the auto rotate permission to this app after providing all the other permissions. Now you see the weird setting has now come to a very beautiful setting. Now I can use my mouse. And my keyboard properly with this home button. Here is my full-fledged mouse and keyboard setup right there for you. And here's the app once again, Rotation Orientation Manager by Pranav Pandey. That's all for today's video, guys, and do like and share this video if you found it useful. Bye bye.